to simplify these ratios, so what you need to do is look for the highest common factor. So the highest common factor of 12, 8, and 16 is 4, right? So I divide everything by 4 because 4 can go to all three numbers. So if I divide by 4, okay, 12 divided by 4, the answer is 3. 8 divided by 4 is 2. And 16 divided by 4 is 4. Okay? That's how you do it. Now, just in case if you don't know how to look for common factors, highest common factor, you can simply, they're all even numbers, so you can just have it. I just do a different way just in case, so you can work it out as well. So as you have 2, 12, give me 6, half 8, give me 4, and half 16, give me 8. Then what you can do, you have to do again, half again to make it further, reduce further, give me 2, halves, give me 4. Okay, but best if you can find the highest common factor. Okay, you only need to do one step rather than you keep on, just continues reduce it. So it take more time. Okay, let's move on this one. Now this one here, 3/4 and 5/6 and 2/3. Now the way to go about this is, you see 4, 6, and 3. Okay, we're looking for the lowest, okay, common multiple as well for that three numbers, so that we make the bottom the same. Okay, common denominator if you like. So to do this, okay, you can just list one of them out. Let's say 4, okay, 8, 12. See, I list multiple 4. So 12 you stop because 12 is multiple of 4, 12 is multiple of 6, and 12 is multiple of 3. So the common denominator is 12 if you like. So I make the bottom is 12. See, this is 12. Okay, 12 and 12. Now, 4 to 12 is 3 times. See, from here to here, I time by 3. Correct? So what I do, okay, I time by 3. The top must also time by 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. Can you see that? And then from 6 to 12, okay, 6 to 12 I double. Okay, 6 times 12 give me 6 times 2 give me 12, so the top also times by 2 as well. So 5 times 2 is 10. See, from 3 to 12 is times by 4, correct? This also times by 4. So simple as that. So therefore, I time 8, 4 times 2 is 8. So that's the answer right there, right? So therefore, because the bottom is the same now, you can just time everything by 12. So that give me 9 to 10 to 8. That's your answer. Okay, so that's how you do it. Okay, that's how you do simplified ratio in these kind of questions. This one here. Now 1.2 to 2, okay, to 0.8. Now first thing I have to do is time everything by 10 because 12. I time by 10, it give me 12. Okay, so get rid of the decimal first. So I time 10 each of those. So I time 10, time 10, time 10. So that means 1.2 times 10 is 12. Okay, 2 times 10 is 20. Okay, 0.8 times 10 is 8. See? Now what I can do is, you can see the highest common factor, okay, or another word, the largest number that can go to 12, 28 is 4. Correct? Okay, so these three numbers, I divide everything by 4. So if I divide by 4, 12 divided by 4, it gives me 3. 20 divided by 4 is 5. 8 divided by 4 is 2. So 1.2 to 2 to 0.8 is exactly the same as 3 to 5 to 2. Okay, this one here. Now 0.8 to a half and to 3/4. Okay, so what I do in this case here, okay, first of all, okay, let's say I time everything by 4 first, okay, because I want to get rid of the bottom first, and then makes it easier. So I time everything by 4 because 2 and 4 is multiple of 2 and also multiple of 4. So the way to go about this is I time everything by 4. So the whole lot I times by 4. Now, 0.8 times 4. You ignore decimal point, of course. 8 times 4 is 24, correct? Now, but because it's one number after decimal point, okay, so I put a dot after 2. So that means one decimal place. Because it's one number after decimal point. So you just put one number after decimal point as your answer as well. Now, a half of 4, because half times 4 is 2. There you go. And then 3/4 times 4, of course, you cancel out, is to 3. Okay, then what I do next is I want to get rid of the decimal first, so by times 10 for each of those. So which is times 10, so it means 24. Okay, times 10 give me 20. 3 times 10 is 30. There you go. But you can see I can simplify further. Okay, so because it's 24, 20, and 30, okay, I can halve all these numbers. So which is 12, half that give me 10, okay, and half that 30 give me 15. And you can't do anything else, okay, because that's the simplest form you can get. All right, okay, let's move on. Now, this one here, simplify these ratios, right? So 80 cents to $1.20. So first of all, you can see clearly there are different units. So therefore, in order to simplify this ratio, we need to convert the same unit first. So you know that is, I write 80 cents to $1.20. $1.20 is 120 cents, correct? So which is, I write this down first, so 80 to 120. There you go. Okay, so have to have same unit first. So they're both the same now. Then I cancel this 0 by divide 10, both of them. Then both I can divide it by 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So 80 cents to $1.20 is exactly the same as 2 to 3. Okay? Next one. So 45 minutes to 1 1/4 hour. Okay, again, you have to convert the same unit first. So it's 45 minutes and you got 1 hour and a quarter minutes. So 1 hour and a quarter hour, sorry. 1 1/4 hour, okay, you know that 1/4 of an hour is 15 minutes. Okay, so 1 hour is 60 minutes. So you add them up, so that means 75 minutes. So 60 plus 15 is 75. In another word, I just add on here. See, there you go. Add 60 minutes, so which is 75 minutes. So this one is same as 45 to 75 because they're same unit now. Okay, and you can see clearly both end with 5, so it divisible by 5. So I just divide by 5 first. 45 divided by 5 is 9 because 9 times 5 is 45. Now, okay, 75 divided by 5. 5 go to 7 is 1, remainder 2. Okay, and then 5 go to 25 is 5. Okay, of course you can reduce further. So which is divide thing by 3. So that gives me 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. So now 45 minutes to 1 1/4 hour is same as 3 to 5. Okay, next one. Now 2.6 kilometers to 800 meters. Of course, you know, they're different units, you can see. So I can convert both of them must be the same unit. So 2.6 kilometers best to convert to meters. So what I do, I times this by 1,000 because one kilometer is 1,000 meters. So convert to meters, I times by 1,000. Okay, to times 1,000, 2.6 times 1,000, I move this, become 26. But of course, I cancel that out. So it's same as 26 times 100. So 2,600. There you go. Okay, to 800. There you go. Now I can simplify now. Both can divide by 100. I can divide by 100 here, cancel out. So that means 26 to 8. Okay, now 26 to 8, of course, I can both divide by 2. I halve it. Half of 2 is 1. Half of 6 is 3. Okay, half of 8 is 4. So the answer is 13 to 4. Now, last one. This one here. Okay, 125 centimeters to 0.8 meters. So of course, we need to convert same units because it's both are different unit at the moment. Now, convert meter to centimeters is much easier. Okay, so because it's one meter is 100 centimeters. So therefore, I times this by 100. Okay, so which is will give me centimeters. So I move this one decimal point right at the back here. I move 1, so I cancel. So that means 8 times 10. Okay, so 8 times 10 is 80. There you go. All right, 80. And this is 125. Okay, so then both of them, okay, can divide by 5 because it's both one of them is end with 5, the other one end with 10, so multiple of 5. So we just quickly divide by 5. Okay, so 12 divided by 5 is 2. 2 go to 5 is go to 12 is 2. So remainder of 2, so 25. Then divide by 5 is 5. Okay, 8 divided by 5, which is 1, remainder 3, so which is 16. And can I simplify further? 25 and 16? No, I cannot. Okay, that's the simplest form you can get. Thank you so much for watching.